What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we're out here at the shop. I brought Bobby, is what we're gonna call this car, to the shop. John and them also bought a new Edge, so they couldn't let me live and just be great for a little bit. But theirs is like more race car than this car is. But anyway, the plan is I can work at the shop all day today, so well, all night I should say. And since the parts are coming here and I have parts here, I might as well just put the car together here, because it'll be a whole lot easier for me to do it on the lift than to do it at my house at the garage. So what we're gonna do is I'm about to pull it off the trailer, and then we're gonna put it in the shop, put on the lift. I got some things I got to take care of first before I start working on it, and then we'll get back to the video. Like I said, I had a cam here. I have the spring and retainers from the Black Sheep whenever they thought it was a valve spring issue, maybe like a year ago, 2 years ago, and those springs are good. Oh shit, I forgot the push rods at the house. Well, I don't need the push rods today because it probably won't run today, but if we do have push rods here, I'll just throw them in there. But I should have a set of push rods here. Anyway, if anything, I'll just go back to the house, get the push rods, and come back. But yeah, so I'm gonna get it off, get it in the shop, and I got some things I gotta do today. I gotta figure out the tune issue on this car, figure out if this ECU took a dump or not, put a power steering pump on that car, get those 3 cars done, and oh, unimportant. Get those 3 cars done, and that should pretty much clear up my day, and then we'll get started on the new Edge. Alright guys, so got the car in the shop. Already started taking some of the motor apart. I had an intake manifold and exhaust manifolds on them. I just put them in the scrap pile. Instead of using I don't have push rods here, and I ain't got time to go back to the shop, to the house. So what I'm gonna do is I have a set of packed valve springs here that'll work with that cam and stock push rods. So what I'm gonna do is use that. I'm not gonna rev the motor out anything past like 7,000 RPM like I do with most of my turbo stuff. I think the G, I was revving it to like 7,800 at one point. I'm about to get this cleaned up, finish pulling the heads off. I have head studs here. The head gaskets should be on the way. By the time I get the heads done, the head gasket should be here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this apart and then get this ready to go on the car. So it is, I think, about just exactly 2:30 right now, so I should have the car running tonight if all goes well. So maybe I'll be driving it home. what the hell that dude's doing. But anyway, we got the old motor out. I got the new motor assembled. Old motor's over there. What we came to find out is, oh, so what's up, Wes?
What's up? What's up?
So what we came to find out is this push rod.
With it, son. Fucking wheels broke. Damn, that shit was close. Gotta go back. Oh, not too far. That should be good. I'm getting fucking wedged here.
Oh no. Hey, grab that mount, because we gotta put it on before. You gonna put the bolts in the
Which
the
ones
mount.
are they?
It was the black ones.
These.
Yeah.
Oh. Washer.
Alright guys, so we got this turd back together. No, it's not turd. Actually came out pretty good. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Nope. Gotta work on a tune. And there you have it. She runs. So I think I have to open up the blow off valve and figure out why it's not. I think it's got a stiff ass spring in there because it's not opening. And that should be about it. I'm gonna drive it home, work on a tune on the way home, and clean it up some. I need to clean these heads off because they look disgusting. It literally looks like a junkyard motor in here, and the car's pretty clean, and the engine looked clean, but didn't have time to pressure wash it because I was, you know, in time crunch. So yeah. So thanks for tuning in. Hopefully next time you guys will see this car. They do have private testing at Galat on Sunday. It's not too expensive, and I'll go foot brake the car out there and run some times, and hopefully it goes like a 670, 660. I don't have any boost control on there, so you're gonna have to work on that too. I should have some Mac valves around here laying somewhere, and if John and them will let me borrow a CO2 bottle, we can at least put some boost in it, put some boost to it, and run a decent time. But as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.
Who is it? Who is it? Daddy.